Vertical line test. Vertical line test states that a relation is a function if and only if every vertical line intersects the graph of the relation at no more than one point. Once again, vertical line test states that a relation is a function if and only if every vertical line intersects the graph of the relation at no more than one point. Well, let's try some examples. Let's say, for instance, a circle. Is a circle a graph of a function? Well, let's see. If I draw a vertical line, which is the vertical line test. Let me draw one. There we go. Hey, it looks like it's the tangent points, meaning where it barely intersects at the edge or tangent area. Another tangent point. Well, it seems to meet because there are only single point locations where it intersects. Agreed? Well, even though they're single locations, we're only worried about the edges. Well, we should really be worried about the entire graph, right? So this is definitely not a function, as you've could have guessed. So if I draw a vertical line anywhere else, it intersects once and twice. Draw somewhere else, it intersects once and twice. Draw it somewhere else, it intersects once and twice, and same goes no matter where we draw the line. It intersects more than one location. Okay, how about we try something else? So different graph. Let's try something like this. Well, let's see. If we draw a vertical line test, it seems to cross only a single location. So it's a function. Crosses at a single location, it's a function so far. Crosses at a single location, it looks like it's still a function. Crosses at a single location, it's still a function. Crosses at a single location, it's still a function. And we can try a few more. It seems to be a function. But be aware. Do not worry about where it crosses and makes it a function. Worry about more of the region where you can see that it does not look like it's going to be a function. So meaning the center region. So if I draw a line in the center region, there it goes. It crosses 1, 2, 3 different locations. So the fact that that center area has 3 intersection points means that it's not a function. Even though everywhere else it seems to pass, just having that center region not pass the vertical line test means it fails. So in other words, this is not a function. So far we have 2 examples of graphs that are not functions. How about another one? Yeah, it looks kind of similar to the previous one, right? Well, let's try vertical line test again. So no matter where we draw our vertical line, it seems to always cross at a single location. And in this case, there are no areas where you would draw a vertical line and it will intersect more than once. So therefore, in this case, we can say it is a function. So definitely in this case, we have given the example of a function. And we've checked using the vertical line test. So keep in mind, if you have a graph, best way to check is to do a vertical line test.